Good evening.
Oh, hi, Dr. John Woodcock.
That is my name.
Doctor, do you think that exorcism is the only way?
Oh yes, certainly I do, sir.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so awesome.
You get the fuck out of here.
What do I want to watch?
I cannot perform an exorcism with a John Travolta haircut here.
Fine.
Now you, sir, you and I, we have a business. Now, sir, listen what I'm about to say because I'm going to tell you only once.
Okay.
In order to kill a demon inside you, I must kill myself first, so that my spirit will fight the demon inside you. Now I'm going to proceed into taking this pill, and within 5 seconds I'll be dead. If you fail into using this antidote, I'll be dead forever. Got it. Now I'm going to proceed to take a pill, and you'll be ready to use the antidote. The antidote. Use the antidote. Use the antidote.
Sorry, what?
The antidote.
The what?
The antidote. Use the antidote.
What the?
So man, I'm sorry that the thing with the Dr. Woodcock didn't actually went well.
It's okay, dude.
But you know, I know a friend from the family who has done really plenty of exorcisms before. He might be helpful.
It's okay, dude. Let's do this.
Okay, I'll call him.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be $10, sir. Wait, what are you doing? Come back, you freaking Jew!
Oh my god, we've been expecting you. Thanks for coming.
Not a problem, boys.
Come in, please, come in.
Yeah, come in. Okay, now we're gonna use your room. Let's go.
I'm safe. I don't have no more hiccups.
Hey, so how did everything go out there?
He actually took it very well. Most kids of his age scream like hell after a circumcision.
I think you mean exorcism.
No?
just hiccup.
What do you mean? I saw another day and... espera.
¡Dale la señal, güey!
¡Es idiota, güey!
Pues, ¿cómo que...?
Something strange in your neighborhood.
Yes, there is another way either than exorcism.
Oh no, certainly there is not, sir. I must perform the exorcism.
Oh my god, this is gonna be
You get the
so
fuck out of
awesome.
here. I cannot perform an exorcism with a Travolta headquarters.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so awesome.
You get the fuck out of here.
But I wanna watch!
I cannot perform an exorcism with a John Travolta haircut with you.
Fine!
I'm afraid of no ghosts.
To take the pill and I'll be dead within 5 seconds and you're gonna have to use the antidote.
You see
Got it.
veins
Okay.
running through your head. Who can you call? An invisible man.
Wow! Use the antidote! Use the antidote!
Sorry, what?
The hiccups. Güey, entre más te preocupas por cómo te ves, güey, peor aquí. I'm here! I don't have no more hiccups. No, hiccups. Nada más hiccups. I don't have no more hiccups. Dude, I have no more hiccups.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call?
Ya,
If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call.
ya, cabrón.
I'm afraid of no ghosts.
Hey! Hey, we're coming. Oh my god! Thanks for coming. We've been expecting you.
Vamos a
Who
ver.
you gonna call?
Güey.
Freaky ghosts, baby. You better call.
Güey, que me dejes ver todo el tiempo así. Es Friday.
¿Quién es? Guapísimo.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. When it comes through your door, unless you just want some more, I think you better call. Who you gonna call? You better call.
Güey, ya los fueron más pendejos.
Se ve chido, güey.
Te lo juro que se ve chido. Mira. Voy a dejar la puerta abierta. Pegaba y...